Enjoy all moments, every day and every night. There may not be a tomorrow, therefore enjoy today. In the present moment, neon rivers paint the rainy slick street below. Sirens hum a midnight melody, my heels click rhythm on the pavement's beat. Warm breeze carries jasmine through the summer heat. Every heartbeat syncs with city's pulse tonight. Unscripted moments flicker, pure unfiltered light. Let go of tomorrow's cloudy heavy weight. Taste the now, so vivid, bittersweet and bright. Enjoy all moments, let your spirit soar. Dance like no one's watching through the open door. Laughter bubbles, love's electric spark. No pause for shadows, leave the dark. We're alive right here, beneath the skyline's glow. Dive into the rhythm, let the current flow. Every second's treasure, fragile, fleeting, true. This heart beats now, just me and you. Streetlights blur to liquid gold as I spin. A stranger's smile, a gift I take within. Raindrops kiss my cheeks, unexpected dew. Yet warmth ignites where every droplet lands anew. No script, no map, just pure uncharted grace. I breathe the chaos, find my sacred space. Life's a flavor, savory, sweet and bold. Savor every bite, both young and old. When the storm rolls in, don't hide away. Meet it dancing, turn the gray to day. Enjoy all moments, let your spirit soar. Dance like no one's watching through the open door. Laughter bubbles, love's electric spark. No pause for shadows, leave the dark. We're alive right here, beneath the skyline's glow. Dive into the rhythm, let the current flow. Every second's treasure, fragile, fleeting, true. This heart beats now, just me and you. Thunder cracks, but I stand tall on the grade. Steam rises warm through leather-soled shoes. Tears mixed with city rain, yet no shame. Sorrow's just another note in life's sweet frame. I hug the ache, watch it transform to light. Then join the beat, burning ever bright. No regrets, just stories etched in starlight's gleam. I own each chapter, live the uncharted dream. Tomorrow's just a canvas